Here we have iPhone XR 64 gigs 3GB LP DDR4X A12 Bionic with Gorilla Glass 5 front and back covered iPhone XR Coral variant. So let's get started and unbox it to unravel the inner components. It gives us a satisfactory feeling while unboxing it. At the topmost part we get designed by Apple and some paperwork. It states hello. So let's keep it aside. You also get some Apple stickers. Especially it will work if you have a MacBook or something like that. Let's get on to the real masterpiece, the iPhone XR. This is a coral red variant. It's just a sheer beauty. It just lacks the wide angle camera, but to speak again, it just lacks the wide angle camera, but don't worry, Apple is master in software tweaking. We'll just get the same user experience even with this single camera, same quality macro for recording 60 fps on both the cameras, both front and back. Namely, we have a 7 megapixel front camera and a 12 megapixel rear camera. Just now let's have a look at the accessories. Let's get the mobile aside. We have a small boy 5-watt charger. Works quite fine. It will usually take almost 2 hours for charging. We have some nice looking wired earpods with a lightning cable. Works fine too. We should thank Apple for giving this for free, just because we have got this on Flipkart Big Billion Days. Just don't do a mistake to buy it from the Apple Store, or else you will just crack your head of just not getting this charger and these earpods. A kind advice: if you just wanna get a XR or a 11 or a 12 from Apple Store, just get ready to pay more $20 on those charger stuff, because Apple will never give you the charger for free and it is proprietary. So you just need to buy this from the Apple Store. So just now let's have a look at this is a USB Type A to Lightning cable. If you just go and buy a iPhone 12 now, you will just get a USB Type C to Lightning cable, and this is just a way to kill you, because they will not offer you a USB Type C to Lightning adapter. So as I said, just get ready to expend more $20 just for fun. So keeping everything aside, we have just got a look on the iPhone XR variant. So let me show you. This is a lightning port, stereo speaker setup which sounds just phenomenal. 6 LED flash and a brilliant minimalistic simplified iPhone logo which just robs your kidneys. So just now get into the interior of this mobile. Oh, and for extra information, this was launched in September 12, 2018. It has a dimension of 150.9 by 75.7 by 8.3 millimeters, so it's just quite thin, and has a weight of about 194 grams, which makes it a highly dense mobile. And it's built with Gorilla Glass back and front, aluminum frame 7000 series, has a single SIM, or you can just add a eSIM also. Let's first start it. English. For kind information, I am an Indian citizen. Oh gosh, that's India. It has a liquid retina display, IPS LCD 625 nits, and a 6.1 inches screen with a 79% screen to body ratio. So I have connected to Wi-Fi account and just carry on. Wait for a few seconds. Let me pause the video. So we are back into the main screen. Have a look at it closely. Welcome to iPhone. Please have a look. So let's wait for a few seconds. Tick tock, tick tock. Is it? Tick.
There are considerably very less amount of bloatwares. In fact, almost no bloatwares in this iPhone XR, thanks to the iOS, and it has one of the best security patches.
Have a look.
And it's
At this beauty.
just one of the safest devices you can use.
We are currently rocking at the
iOS 13, but iOS 14 update is already provided and it can be downloaded and installed.